In this ukulele, nope, Guitarlele review, we're going to go over, I just picked this up a few hours ago at the NAMM show from the Kanile'a booth. This is the fourth one I've had in the store. This one, wow. Wow. This is a Kanile'a GL6. This is the Guitarlele. This one I'm calling Shaka. Hi, I'm Terry Carter, and welcome to ukelikethepros. If you're into ukulele, baritone, and, that's right, guitarlele, not many people can say that, reviews and tutorials, this is a great channel for you. This all leads back to the ukelikethepros.com site, where you can get, yes, a guitarlele course. Yes, live guitarlele Q&As with me and other members every single week. So we got the content for this instrument as well. So anyways, just make sure to subscribe. I do a lot of great stuff here. Turn on that bell notification as well. So as I do these videos, a couple things. Comment, leave a comment. Yeah, like the video, subscribe, all that stuff, but leave a comment. Interact with some of the other people. This is a community here. We got a great community, by the way, a big community, a worldwide community. So make sure to comment below. Anyway, this one is available at my store. That's store.ukelikethepros.com. It's absolutely beautiful. I literally just got it a few hours. I did buy it, but I actually got it a few hours ago, and it's spectacular. Let me do a little playing, and we'll go over all the details of this amazing instrument. Wow, that sustain is crazy. Wow, that was awesome. Anyway, I was just fooling around. I was kind of making up a progression as we went. There's a couple things that are really unique about this Kanile'a baritone. Well, that kind of gave it away. Guitarlele, that's a lot different than the other ones. But let's go over this wood first. Look at this. This is premium. I actually think it's like the level above premium, but I think premium's the highest level. It's just, I mean, it says it all. The colors, the side grain, this grain, the white sapwood, the very cool pattern. I mean, it's just absolutely amazing. You got the nice big super bout here, the super tenor bout here. 6 strings. We'll go over those strings in a second. Check out this. This is very, very unusual. Very unusual. Trust me. The solid koa wood, but look at this right here. A little bit of spalting. Not only that, and it's a little bit more on this side. That's very unusual. You see that a lot in like mango wood, but that spalting you don't see a whole lot. Now check this out. And this one does have a pickup in it. Already a pickup, already installed. How cool is that? All right, so real quick, 6 string, right? Now this one is tuned, and you can do a couple different things with this. Excuse me. This one is tuned A to A, which is what I consider as a typical guitarlele, right? The mix between a guitar and a ukulele. So it's A, D, and then the rest are like a ukulele. G, C, E, and A. Right? So it's like a ukulele with 2 extra strings. Now, you can also tune this, but don't do it with these strings. Okay? You can also get a different set of strings, and you can tune it E to E. So if you're more of a guitar player, you can do that as well. Okay? I like the A to A tuning personally, and if I'm doing E to E, I'll just play my guitar. But you can do that. Okay? Now, actually, let me do one more little piece, and then we'll talk a little bit more. A little playing and talking. All right, let's do something else. What should I do here? Let's do this. stick around too, because I'm going to talk to you a little bit about some of the courses and Q&As that we do for the Guitarlele. All right, now this is really cool. This is really cool. You got the super tenor body, so you got a little bit of the bigger body, but you got the baritone scale length. Okay, so baritone meaning from this nut to the saddle 20 inches, right? That's a baritone. So that's a baritone size. That's unusual because only a few companies make them this size. Most of them make them the 17 inches, which is the tenor size. Okay, but this one is that baritone size. And now what the benefit of that is, one, if you kind of like a little bit of a bigger instrument. Two, it gives you a lot more clearance of your hand, especially as you move up the neck. Some of the tenors, even the tenors that I play, they get a little cramp when you start getting past the 5th fret, especially if you're doing some bar chords, okay? It's got a nice 2-inch nut here, which is what I always recommend on your Guitarleles, but then it gradually gets bigger, and it almost gets to like 2 3/4 inches when it gets all the way up here, all right? Now, what I like about this, it's got a really slim, low profile neck, the nice mahogany, it's satin finished. And of course, you got the open geared tuners, there's 6 of them. And then you have the head plate. You got a little Koa head plate on top there. And then the ebony fretboard and the mother of pearl inlay. So, but a couple of things that stand out really for me, this super tenor, this wide bout here, which I like, the slim neck as well, and then the wide neck right here. All right, let me do a little playing. The stain. I've had several of these. This one by far, this far is actually spectacular sounding and playing. All right, ukelikethepros advantage. I will match any price that you find. You're not going to find these, to be honest with you. You're not going to find one that looks like this, but I'll match it. If you find an active listing for this particular one, this is a GL6. This is a premium, right? The top of the line. They make lower koa wood ones, right? It was not as pretty grain, but I'll match it. Like, I want to get you the best price that you can get, but I'm going to throw in a bunch of bonuses as well, and that's part of the thing being here. First of all, the thing's set up like a freaking champ. I would not touch this thing. It's super low action. Even as you get up here, it's perfect. You don't even, they did a great job setting it up right from the Kanile'a factory. 2, you get a free course, and you can do the Guitarlele course. I have a full course on Guitarlele. You get a Guitarlele course, you get the mini course, you get the 6-week Q&A included in that. But what I really suggest is doing the 3-month premium membership. You get access to everything on the site, including what I just said, but you also get access to the ongoing Q&A that we do. We do a beginning and an intermediate for Guitarlele. That's right. Every week, we do a beginning and an intermediate Guitarlele Q&A live with me and other members. I mean, you're going to learn this instrument. You're going to learn better timing. You're going to learn to play with confidence. You're going to learn your chords. You're going to learn the stuff that you need to know. That's kind of hard to find and kind of hard to do it on your own. Let's be honest. Okay, free shipping within the U.S., insured shipping. I will ship it anywhere in the world. You get the 2-year Kanile'a warranty as well. You get the pickup in this one. That's a bonus. You get the pickup in this one as well. You get this super nice case. This is amazing gig bag / case. You get that included as well. And then check below for the other perks you get, like the case candy and some of the other stuff. So anyway, wow. So happy I went to NAMM and got this great instrument. This is, again, the Kanile'a GL6. This one is called Shaka. This is premium. This one is just, I mean, just look at it. Just look at it. Yeah, thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for leaving a comment. Thanks for making it to the end as well. And check out store.ukelikethepros.com if you're interested in this one. And if not, I'll see you in the next one.